Experience Manager is a whole new way to create, optimize, and personalize your page experience. Now, different roles within your team can work in parallel to launch conversion campaigns faster. To access the Experience Manager, click on a page in your dashboard. Previously, when you clicked on a page, you were taken directly into the builder. Now you don't have to enter the builder to set up things like integrations, conversion goals, SEO, and social. The default view in the Experience Manager is the Layout and Content view, which is what you see now. Let's start in the middle of the screen here. At the top left, you can see the name of the experience that you're working on, and buttons for analytics, leads, and more, which includes delete and unpublish options. In the top right is the Publish button, which used to only be in the builder but is now only accessible here in the Experience Manager. Here in the middle is a preview of your page experience. You can scroll down to see what the page looks like before you publish it. At the top left of the preview, you can access different page experience variations. At the top right, you can click Preview for a full screen preview, click Comment to go into collaboration mode, and click Edit to go directly into the builder. Over on the left-hand side is the toolbar, which has many of the functionalities that used to be in the builder. At the top of the toolbar, you can click to go back to the dashboard. Below that is the navigation bar. You can easily switch experiences using the search bar instead of having to go back to the dashboard. The New Experience button below allows you to create a new page experience for every audience segment to ensure you're delivering the right message to the right audience. This is available as part of personalization in our enterprise product. Below the New Experience button, you can see which page experience you're working on currently. Click on URL and you'll see everything you need to set up the destination where you'll publish your page. You can click on Custom Domain, publish through WordPress or Drupal, or create a demo page. Click on Integrations and you'll see Analytics integrations and Form integrations. In Conversion Goals, you can input your conversion goals like submitting a form or clicking a link. Click SEO to set up all of your optimization settings like keywords, meta description, and more. In Social Info, you can set up social sharing. In Scripts and GDPR, you can set up your tracking scripts as well as your Terms of Service link for GDPR compliance. This ensures that visitors agree to your terms of service before the tracking scripts run. After everything is set up and ready to go, click Publish and watch your conversions soar.